Hey y'all, Angela Braxton-Johnson here, and I have just completed my 6 months of courses for coach certification with Coactive Training Institute, and I am so elated. I am so much better today than I was when I started out 6 months ago, and particularly this class synergy. I mean, they know what they're doing. These folks know how to put a course together and how to make everything just builds and builds and builds and builds, and it's just amazing. Here I am in my fourth act. Some may say third act, but oldish either way, and I feel like I'm ready to do the next thing and to become a better coach. Let me just read what I wrote because I don't want to. I want to say all the things. I'm so thankful for CFE's mission and partnership with CFE stands for Coaching for Everyone. It's because of Coaching for Everyone that I was able to receive a fellowship and scholarship to do the course with CTI. If it weren't for CFE, I would not be talking to y'all right now. So thank you, CFE, for their mission and partnership with Coactive Training Institute. CTI has transformed my life by giving me so much more confidence, fierce courage, which is part of Synergy, the sixth course I just took, and amazing tools to reinvent myself. I have several intersections of marginalizations, and with the tool of marginalization, and with the tools from my amazing CTI cohort and the curriculum itself, especially the dynamic leaders from the front and back of the room, all the leaders. Um, yes, I am ready to shatter glass ceilings and tear down walls that have blocked me. I'm also elated that I am now more equipped to walk alongside others in their personal journeys of transformation. I have a poem that I wrote called Abundant Fatness, and it says, I am courageously aging from princess to queen, taking up space and ready to be seen. I hope to be seen by you to let you know this is the bomb course. And if you need a coach, honey child, AngelaBraxtonJohnson.com. Mwah.